Hello friends, welcome to All and Sundry Group. Today I will show you how to use battery backup in an efficient manner. When we have less battery power, then we have to store that battery for emergency purposes. So then some settings can resolve our problem. Okay, so first of all you have to go to settings. Here you have to drag the toolbar and then settings. See here, if you can find manage apps, then okay. If you can't find manage apps option, then you should write on this toolbar manage apps. Okay, I just writing that manage apps. Okay, you have to click on this manage apps. See, all the apps are jot down here. अभी आप लोग अगर आपको क्या करना है, आपका बैटरी का पावर सेव करने के लिए have to choose each apps and you have to change those settings. Okay, suppose I want to manage the settings of Instagram. Okay, this app, Instagram app. So I have to click on this. Just click on this Instagram. Okay, many options are available. I have to click this notification option. I have to change that notification option because lots of notifications we were received regarding everything. Suppose someone posted a photo or someone posted a video, then you just received that notification. That notification may be of no use, but you received that, and that also consume the battery power. So I just want to off that notification settings. So click on this yes. Okay, and see all the blue part. See this blue part is the options which is enabled. हमको ये सब ऑप्शन को डिसेबल करना है. डिसेबल करने से पावर, बैटरी का पावर जो है वो सेव हो जाएगा. देखिए साउंड जो है आपका, मतलब कोई अगर कोई पिक भेजे या फिर पिक अपलोड करे या फिर कुछ भी, मतलब इंस्टाग्राम में अगर कुछ भी हो, एक्टिविटीज़ हो, तो आपका साउंड आता है, वाइब्रेशन होता है. वाइब्रेशन का भी सेटिंग्स है, लेड लाइट का भी सेटिंग्स है. लेड लाइट का ब्लिंक करता है, वाइट कलर का, ग्रीन कलर का, वायलेट कलर का ब्लिंक करता है. सो यू जस्ट हैव टू डिसेबल ऑल दिस ऑप्शंस. ओके, so first of all just click on this, just click on show notifications, and all other options available below this option are disabled. Okay, or if you want to specifically disable some options, then click on show notifications, this one, and after that individually disable the options. Okay, like this one, allow sound, I just disable this one. After that, allow vibration, I want to disable this one. After that, allow using LED light, I just want to disable this option. All three options are disabled. So now my battery will be consumed slowly. Okay, so you can save your power. So that's it, friend. So right this way you can change the settings of each and every app. Okay, so you can save your power. So the friends, if you have any query regarding this video, or if you have any other query regarding any technical terms, please let us know so we can show you how to do that. Bye, friends.